A complete computer guide.
Hi, welcome you all in my channel. As you know, I am Dhananjay. Today I am going to start a new topic, our ninth video of QBASIC series.
In this video, I'll explain two topics. One is arithmetic and QBASIC expression, and other is order of precedence.
Viewers, if you have not seen my videos yet, then please first watch those videos, then only watch this video. Then it will be simple for you to understand. And viewers, in this I will describe everything, every part of computer, every small things of computer, which you cannot get any video or any other place. So you are learning a definition, but simple single word you don't know which is used in that definition. But I will explain here small parts of definition. So please keep watching my channel, and also viewers, hit subscribe button. Is that for you to get my new update of computer technology, and also like and share, and also don't forget to comment here.
And this both topic is necessary in QBASIC. So you must know about arithmetic and QBASIC expression, and other is order of precedence. So first I am going to start arithmetic and QBASIC expression. During the execution of any program, you must convert first arithmetic expression to QBASIC expression. Otherwise, your program will be wrong. So, here in this table, I have written many arithmetic expression that you have to write in QBASIC expression. So you can understand by seeing this all. So now order is order of precedence. Order of precedence. While performing the arithmetic calculation, the following hierarchical order of operation are used by computer. Here you can see parenthesis, first order, exponential or power, second order. Likewise, here are many that you can note in your copy and learn or remember, and that will help you to write a program. So I hope you have understood these two topics. If any confusion, then again and again I am saying that write in comment box. I will solve your problem.
For today, this much only. Till then, keep watching my channel, and viewers, thank you for watching my video.